2 days ago, Israel launched a missile attack here in Doha. Hello, my name is Leia and welcome to my channel. I really love this topic because this is the first video that I had watched from Sean Cannell, if you know him, that really touches my heart and helped me more to become more consistent in doing a YouTube. And today I'm gonna share with you my thoughts why we really should start doing YouTube in this world. As the beginning, I mean, as I said in the beginning of my video, I said that Israel launched a missile attack here in Doha. Yeah. In the world of uncertainty, we really don't know what will happen in any seconds. Right now, I am recording this video. My anxiety is coming in, and then I'm thinking, what if while I'm recording this video, there's a missile striking our building? So yeah, I think the number one reason why we need to start doing YouTube channel even nobody watches is filming and documenting our lives. Because this is the smart way to prove that we exist in this world. Actually, I already said in my previous video that the main goal in my YouTube channel is to film and document my life, because that time I was so depressed and I don't see any reason to live. And that time I think, why I don't film my life? Like, even nobody watches, I will just document my life and film it. So it's like my diary that I have a video that I can look back to. And also in the future, like who I was 30 years ago, 50 years ago. And I love to think that I have a video that I can look back to. So yeah. So the number two reason is healing mental health through content creation. So if you are like me that's suffering depression, anxiety, this is the best way to avoid them, to avoid the depression. Because when you are doing content creation, the negativity that keeps coming in your mind will be replaced from researching and thinking what you will do next, what content that you will do next on your YouTube channel. And that's why I guess that's the best way. Since I started doing YouTube channel, before, all the negativity coming in my mind, like 100%, they occupied my mind. But now, I can say that the negativity is like only 20%, because I admit that I'm still not 100% okay. Yeah, I'm still on it. I'm still working on it. But I can say that the negativity is like 20% now, that because the 80% is every day I'm researching, I'm thinking what I will do next, what content I will do in my YouTube channel again. And yeah, now my mind is busy on thinking to how I can improve my communication skills in doing YouTube. And now the negativity, I'm so thankful that yeah, now it's in 20%. So I hopefully I can say in the next video that 100% I'm okay. So in anyone who's watching now that suffering depression, this is the best way. Do a YouTube channel even nobody watches. I promise it's really helps in our mind. So yeah, healing mental through content creation. Number three is building skills and personal growth. Yeah, this is one of the best. Because I told you I'm not really good a speaker. Even in the first, second, and my third long form video, this is my fourth long form video, I always said at the end of my video that I'm saying sorry that I'm still not good speaker, I'm not fluent on English or what. So why we really should start doing YouTube channel, because we can use it to hone our skills. So right now, I actually don't rely on the script because honestly, in my first video, if you will check it, it's very raw. I really don't have a script on that, I swear. So you can see it on that. And my second video, I admit that I did 100% script on that. I'm trying to memorize that one. Like I wanted to try because I just downloaded the chat GPT. I'm so curious and then I'm so overwhelmed that when I asked the chat GPT to give me a script on this topic, it gives me and like oh my god, I can memorize it and then I can make a drama or what, but when I posted it and then I watch it, I don't feel it. I, like since I love listening podcasts, I know who is saying scripted or what because I consume a lot of podcasts. And then when I watch my own video, I knew it. I feel it that it's not it's not good. The outcome is not good when you are relaying the script. Yeah, and then the third long form video, I tried I tried it too without script. So in the method long form video, 80% not scripted and the 20% is scripted. So if if you are also long time listening in podcast, you will know which one is scripted or not. So in this short long form video, I am trying to deliver my thoughts without relying on the script. So yeah, so since I am building skills, yeah, everyone who is started is in talking in front of camera, I accepted that we are not really perfect on this. So I'm trying and learning to hone my skills through YouTube channel that maybe after 1 year doing a YouTube channel or after in my 100 uploads, maybe I am so 100% confident that I can deliver, not perfectly, confident my thoughts in the video. So the number 4 reason is building a business and identity. So this one is really in my heart because already 1 decade now that I am trying to build my own business. Actually, when I was in 20, I was a networker, but the networker is not really good in the Philippines, like because in the Philippines not everyone is open-minded about this one, and mostly they call us scammer. So they always call us a scammer that like, so I don't know if you know that network marketing. So I'm involved in network marketing, but I'm so thankful because when I was in network marketing, the training in there, that's why I don't know. Yeah, I admit that's why I'm the way I think the way I am think now is because of the training that I learned from network marketing. So they open my mind and to understand the world, to understand the economy, how the economy works or what. And I'm thankful. Actually, I'm not shy or that I am I'm a network marketing before. I'm so proud because it helps me to build who I am, to build my mind the way I think now. So I'm so thankful on that. So anyway, and since that time, even I'm not in the network marketing now, I'm trying to build my own business. I selling makeup before. I'm trying to make my like chicken pastil, the kimchi. I tried a lot, but because I'm not consistent, that's my problem. If I discourage, I will stop and then I will go to the bed like I don't want to do like I don't see any good on what I'm doing. I don't see clarity on that, so I will stop. So yeah, doing a YouTube channel for me, I think it's building a business. Now, YouTube channel is like my project now that I want to build as a business. Like my own identity, who I am. So right now, I am 30 years old. So I told you in my first video that I'm not in hurry. So I'm building myself. So maybe in the future, or I don't know what will happen to me in this, in my journey. So since I'm 30, I'm thinking like I'm giving myself 10 years. 10 years to build myself here in YouTube, sorry. So that's my time that I'm giving to myself. Maybe after 10 years, I already built myself an identity that the other businesses, that they can trust me, that I can, that, I mean, they can trust me on their products to partner with me. So yeah, doing a YouTube channel can help us to build a business and identity, because it honing our skills here, like I say in my third reason. So building a business and identity in YouTube channel, actually it's very great because YouTube is free. You can do it in your house, like now I'm doing it in our sala. So while the people here is my neighbors is not here, so I have 1 hour chance to film and record my video. So yeah, this is a great opportunity for us to build a business. And finally, the number 5 and the last reason for me, that's why we really need to start doing a YouTube channel even nobody watches, is we admit now that the world is already far from 100 years ago, way back from 100 years ago. Now we are now in information technology, the artificial intelligence is is going in. I mean, even human can replace from artificial intelligence. I mean the AI. So doing YouTube channel is also the smart way to prove like we are real human, that us human is more powerful than AI. So I'm not saying that the AI is really bad, but of course it can help us in, it can help in people in a lot in other way, but that's why we really need to start doing YouTube channel, is to build a digital legacy that in the future, even actually I don't know if you call me crazy. Sometimes I'm thinking, why when I didn't yet doing a YouTube channel, and I'm thinking, and the time that I'm interested now into doing a YouTube channel, that I think maybe that's why the people must to record themselves, because I don't know how I will say. So we will have a data in the future if the planet Earth will destroy, and then yeah, we will go to the Mars. It's so crazy to say. I mean, anyway, that we will have a data in this world, that I'm Leia Mancilia, and this is, and the alien or whatever, that they will see how this woman live in this world. Like we have data, identity, who is this woman, like how she lives. So doing filming yourself and uploading in YouTube channel will be a data in the future if there's happen. I mean, see, you can see our planet Earth is destroying. I don't know if 100 years from now what's the world will be, because the people now is very abusive in the planet. A lot of cutting trees like that we cannot control if the human will not be unite to help this planet Earth. So yeah, for me, doing a YouTube channel and filming yourself is building a digital legacy also in the future generation. Who is these people? What these people do in the last 100 years ago, if the new generation, the future generation will watch our video. So for me, as we are now in information technology, filming yourself and giving your putting your data in the internet that in the future generation can watch is, yeah, a smart way. Like you already build a digital legacy, even not the future generation, your future family. Since I still don't have a kid, I admit it, I'm already 30 and I still didn't have a baby or what, so I don't know when I can have a baby. But maybe in the future, if I will get a baby or or I will not have a baby anymore, at least I have a YouTube channel that my niece, my nephew, that they can watch it, how I live in this world, since I'm starting building my legacy here, so that they can they can know who I was 100 years from now. So yeah, that's it. That's what I thought in this topic. So yeah, in the world that full of uncertainty, we are so unsure in everyday lives now. We really don't know what will happen. The war is, uh, yeah, I still remember 2 days ago, the Israel missile launched a missile strike here in Doha, and yeah, the world is so bad now. Currently, I'm recording this earlier, like 2 hours ago, I had watched what happening in Nepal, in Indonesia, a lot of happening so bad, and I'm so grateful that I start doing YouTube channel and I'm recording myself what what I'm doing now, what I feel now. So anyone who is trying, who wanted to start doing YouTube channel, just do it now. Voila. It's the best action that we can do in this time, in this situation, because a lot of uncertainty now. So that's it, guys. I need to go, and thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, just smash the like and subscribe me if it's okay. So thank you so much. Anyone who is same in my era, let's do it. Even we are not perfect or we still not good in delivering our message, but yeah. So now I need to go because the 1 hour is already done. So my driver's coming, so I need to go. Yalla, bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Like, I will, ano ba yan? Oh, I don't know what I will say.